Hey crafters. Okay, so I got a cute project today. I bought this cardboard tree and I'm going to paint it with this celery green color. And I'm not going for full coverage here. I want that brown to show through. I painted the front and the back. I then sanded a piece of wood that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spray it with some water and use an antique wax on top and wipe it back with a baby wipe or a wet cloth to give it a stained look. And I'm going to do that to all four sides and the bottom. Then I'm going to take pieces of ribbon and make a rag bow, and this will serve as the topper for my tree. I'll just start laying the pieces of ribbon in crisscross different directions. And then I will tie it all together with a piece of jute. I'm then going to hot glue the rag bow to the top of my tree, and then I have this button that I'm going to hot glue in the center. Next, I'm going to take these letters, they are stamps, and a tea stain tag, and I'm going to spell out the word Mary. I really like using these stamps. I think adding these to a tag really elevates your craft project. They really add something to it. Of course, these stamps are completely optional and your project will still turn out great without it. I'm then going to take my tag and hot glue it down so that it doesn't move. And then you got to fluff out that bow. Once my wood is dry, I'm going to take a lot of hot glue at the bottom of the tree and glue it to the wood block. I have this grapevine candle ring that I'm going to hot glue down. You could probably staple it, but hot glue worked for me. And then I'm going to pull all those hot glue strings off because I cannot stand them. And then I'll place a timer candle in the middle of the ring. And I think it turned out so pretty. Let me know if you would give it a try and how you would decorate your tree in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day!